Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe. Welcome to the second session of cubes and cube roots. In the previous class, we have learned that a number obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times are known as cube numbers or perfect cubes. Today, let us learn about cube roots. Suppose the volume of a cube is 729 centimeter cube. How to find the length of its side? That means we need to find a number whose cube is 729, isn't it? Shall we think about the number whose cube is 729? Yes, it is 9 cube. That means the side of the cube is 9 centimeter. Here we say 9 is the cube root of 729. Now let us discuss about cube root and define the cube root. The idea of square root can be extended to cube root also. The cube root of a number b is denoted inside the symbol of square root with a 3 written outside. Is the number that must be cubed to obtain b. We define cube root of a real number b denoted by the cube root symbol b is the number that must be cubed to obtain b. That is, if we say that the cube root of b equals a, if and only if a cube equals b. Now, 2 cube equals 8. Okay, which means the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. It has been shown with the arrow marks. 2 cube equals 8 and the cube root of 8 is 2. Now here we can see few more examples. 27 equals 3 cube, which means the cube root of 27 equals 3. 260 equals 6 cube, which means cube root of 216 is 6. Now next is a fraction, 64 by 125. 64 is the cube of 4 and 125 is the cube of 5. So we can write cube root of 64 by 125 equals 4 by 5. Now, in order to find the cube root, there are two different methods. Method 1, cube root by prime factorization. In the case of cube root by prime factorization, the first step is you have to express the number as a product of its prime factors. Once you have done the prime factorization, try to put them in groups of 3 and choose one factor from each group of 3 and find their product, and that gives the required cube root. Let's try with the help of an example. We will see the cube root of 512 by prime factorization. As you see, when you go for the prime factorization of 512, the number 2 appears 9 times. It can be kept in groups of 3. There are 3 groups of 2. From each group, we select 1 so that it's equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which gives the answer 8. We can conclude that the cube root of the number 512 equals 8. Now, here are few questions for you to do. Take your rough book, start getting the answers. You have to do it by prime factorization method. The first number is 64,000. Next one, it is 4.096. Question C, it's a mixed number, that is 2 and 93 by 125. The answer for the first one is 40. Second one, cube root of 4.096 is 1.6. The third question, there is a cube root of 293 by 125 is 7 by 5. Hope that you got the correct answer. Here we have the method 2, that is cube root by estimation. Let's try to find the cube root of 15,625 by the method of estimation. For that, we group the given number as 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit of the number. Here we have 15 in one group and 625 in another group. You take the number 625. 625 ends with 5. We have learned in properties of cubes that if the digit 5 is at the end of a perfect cube number, its cube root will have its unit place digit as 5 only. So, very easily we got the digit at the unit place, which is 5. Now take the other group which contains the number 15. The perfect cubes which comes just before and after 15 are 2 cube which is 8 and 3 cube which is equal to 27. Among this 2 and 3, we take the smaller number all the time. So 2 is smaller. And that will be the digit at the tens place of the required cube root. We write cube root of 15,625 equals 25. We have few questions for practicing now. Find the cube root of the following through the method of estimation. Question A, 5,31,441. Question B, 2,05,379. Question C, 8,04,357. Quickly get the answers now. The answer for the first one is 81. Question B, the answer is 59. And for question C, cube root of 8,04,357 is 93. Very good. You all got the correct answer now. Hope that the method of estimation is quite easier than prime factorization. That's all for today. Go through the video, learn the lesson properly. Hope to meet you soon with another video. Thank you, children. Have a great day.